Welcome back students. I am Mansoor Bari and I am here with this tutorial number 2 of crystal reports, and let's have a look at these steps again. We configured our dataset object in tutorial number 1, and in this tutorial number 2 we are going to add a blank crystal report, and then we will bound the crystal report with the dataset. Okay, now see how to do it. Start Visual Studio 2012. Just right click on your project and add a crystal reports. Click it, change the name to crystal report EMP, and then click OK. You see there are three options to create a new crystal report document that you can either using the report wizard or as a blank crystal report. So in my case I'll choose this option as a blank report and click OK. So you see you'll see that there will be a designer. This is the designer of the crystal report, and this designer has two parts: the left panel, which is called Field Explorer, and the right panel, which is called the designer. And let me explain a little bit about this designer. That there are some sections, 5 sections: report header, page header, details, report footer, and page footer. The report header appears once in the report on the top of the report, and the contents of the page header appears on each page. Section number 3 is a detail section, which is very important, and we will drop our fields and columns on this section. So let's see how to do it. We have a database fields option here. We are going to connect this report to the dataset. So let's see how to do it. Just right click here, and you see there is an item database expert. Click it, and you see the project data, ADO.NET datasets. Okay, and you see your dataset EMP with the table employee is here. So just select it and click this button and click OK. Now see the difference. There is a plus sign. So click it, and you see your table is here, the employee table, and there is a plus sign as well, and you click it, and you see that all of your columns are here. Alright, so let me show you how to drag and drop. Just select a field from here and click it and drag it to the section number 3. You see this is the column, and this one is the column heading, which is created automatically for you. Alright, so do it again with this first name, and just for example, okay, select DOB or gender and select city and country. Alright, okay, just to show you how to do it. Alright, so the fields has been added to our crystal report, and let me show you how it looks like. At the bottom there are 2 tabs. Number 1 is a main report, which is open currently, and the next is main report preview. So just click here, and you see this is the report preview. It is telling you how your report will look like. And come back to the main report, and just let me give you some hints about the formatting. You see these column headings can be selected all together, and just right click and format multiple objects, and you can go to font and remove underline and say you want this bold. Okay, now you see that all the column headings are changed, and this is called formatting, and we will learn formatting in detail in the next tutorial. Let's see what happens when we did this. Click on main report preview, and you see that column headings are bold now. So this is the report preview, and in the next tutorial we will format this report and we'll give it a professional look. So see you in the next tutorial.